in the Excel. This is advanced because the concatenate and function is better than this is better than the other ones. So here we start. Just go to cell where you want to join, equal to text joining, double click, double quote, space, double quote, space, double quote, comma, and true. It's ignore true. It's ignore the empty cell. Okay, equal to, and the cell range, and press enter. Okay, you can drag it. One more thing I would like to add, if you want to like add something, dash, comma between the lines or whatever, so you have to go here and add dash in the space, double, okay, just add dash, so it will give you dash. Okay, so whatever, if you want to feel like putting comma, you can put comma also. So this is the way. Thank you.